Hello, my dear fourth class children. Textbook open. If you have textbook, open textbook. If you don't have textbook, take screenshot. Amma. Enter all these questions. I wrote all these blanks, matching and one word questions for you only. Open textbook. If you did not, if you don't have textbook, okay, enter all these questions in your science CW. Okay. Is it clear? Okay, page number 29. Open page number 29. Blanks. First blank read the animals which live. Read the animals which live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Okay, amphibians. What is the spelling of amphibian? A-M-P-H-I-B-I-A-N-S. Amphibian. Okay, animals that live on the land and in the water are called amphibian. What is the best example of amphibian? Frog. Next question, read ma. Long winter sleep is called. Long winter sleep is called hibernation. Okay, hibernation. 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 Okay, long winter sleep of animals is called hibernation. Okay, winter season. Long winter sleep of animals is called hibernation. Okay, third question read. Animals that live in cold regions, okay, have lot of fur. Which animal's body covered with fur? Polar bear body covered with fur. On their bodies to keep themselves warm. Okay, question number 4. Dash live inside or on the bodies of other living animals. What is that? What is that? Parasite. Parasites live inside or on the bodies of other animals. Parasite. P-A-R-A-S-I-T-S. Parasites. What is the best example of parasite? Leech. Leech is the best example of parasite. Leech sucks blood from other animals' body. Okay, go to next question. Fifth question read. Animals which spend most of their time on trees are called arboreal. Okay, arboreal animals. Okay, arboreal animals spend most of their time on trees. Next question is snakes move with the help of scales. Snakes body covered with scales. Snakes are limbless reptile. Snakes are limbless reptile. They have to move with the help of scales. Okay, children, and they also have flexible backbone. That's why they have to move in any surface. Okay, with the help of scales. Snakes are limbless reptile. Snakes move with the help of scales. Now coming to the matching fish. Okay, how fish breathe? Fish breathe through gills. Fish can move with the help of fins and also fish breathe through gills. What is the right option? D. Okay, see the next question. Amphibian. What is the best example of amphibian? Frog. Okay, the best example of amphibian is frog. See the next question. Octopus. Octopus live in the water. Okay, octopus have 8 tentacles. Octo means 8 tentacles. Okay, octopus tentacles. Okay, they have to move with the help of tentacles only. Next question, fourth question, see monkey. Arboreal animal, no children? Yes, monkey live on trees. Monkeys live on trees. What is the right option? E. Next, chameleon. Chameleon can see all directions. Yesterday you saw one video. Chameleon can change the body color according to their surroundings. Chameleon can see all directions at a time. So chameleon also live on trees. Chameleon can change the body color according to their surroundings. Chameleon mix with their surroundings, merge with their surroundings. So chameleon, camouflage. Camouflage means what, ma? Camouflage means merge with their surroundings, mix with their surroundings. So chameleon can change the body color according to their surroundings. Okay, is it clear? Camouflage means what? Merge with their surroundings. Some animals merge with their surroundings. Okay, now next, omnivore. Omnivore means all variety eater. Okay, we too omnivorous animals only. Okay, crow, bear, dog. Human beings also omnivorous animals. Okay, what is the right option here? G. Okay, next read aquatic. Aqua means water. Okay, aquatic animal. What is the aquatic animal? Is it a aquatic animal? No. Is it a aquatic animal? Yes. What is the right option here? H means whale. Whale lives in the water, no children? Yes. Now aerial. Aerial means what ma? Live. Okay, aerial means animal that fly. Animals that fly are called aerial animals. Okay, which animal fly? Yes, pigeon. Okay, pigeon is the aerial animal. Okay, right option F. Is it clear? One more time. Fish breathe through gills. Amphibian is the frog. Octopus have 8 tentacles. Okay, and also monkey. Monkey live on trees. Chameleon, camouflage, omnivore, human being, aquatic, whale, aerial, pigeon. Okay, is it clear? Yes, coming to the next option. Okay, Roman D. Name one animal of each type. Name one animal of each type. Read the question. Herbivore. Okay, read the question number. Herbivore. Okay, you have to write any one only. Here they are asking only one animal. You know many animals. Herbivore, cow, goat, buffalo, deer, zebra. Okay, you have to write any one name only. Okay, here they asked only one. Okay, next carnivore, lion. Okay, lion. Next arboreal, live on the trees. Live on the trees. Monkey. Okay, monkey, chimpanzee. Okay, chameleon. These are all arboreal animals only. Omnivore. Next question, see. Omnivore. Human beings are omnivore. Crow, bear, dog. These are also omnivorous animals. You have to write any one name. Okay, omnivore. Best example, omnivore, human being also correct only. Crow, bear, dog. You have to write any one. Okay. Next is the aquatic animal. Aqua means water. Aquatic animals. Okay. Okay. Aquatic. Many animals live in the water. Fish. Okay. Whale, dolphin, octopus. Okay. Starfish. You have to write any one name. Next, amphibian. Best example of amphibian is frog. Okay. Next, aerial. Aerial means live in the air. Birds. Birds live in the air, no children. Most of the time they spend most of their time on in the air only. Aerial. We have to write any one name. Okay, aerial. Parrot or pigeon or any one name write. Okay, crow. Okay, next parasite. Live in on others on the bodies of other animals. So parasite live inside or on the bodies of other living animal. The best example of parasite is leech. Okay, children, leech. Okay, so you have to enter all these in your sign CW or HW. Okay, now. Today you have to read all these or otherwise you have to take screenshot. You have to take screenshot. Okay, or you have to write all these questions first in your CW. Okay, will you enter all these questions, children? Okay, lesson number 3 completed today. Yes, today I will send CW. Okay, okay, PDF I will send PDF. Okay, through WhatsApp. Okay, you have to write all short question answers and long question answers in your CW, children. Don't forget it. Okay, tomorrow, okay, I will tell you 4th lesson, that is the reproduction in animals. Okay, now I will show some videos and some more teaching aids. They are ready for you. Okay, now very interesting lesson. Okay, next lesson is very interesting lesson. Okay, be ready to listen reproduction in animals. Okay, next session, tomorrow session. Okay, children, don't forget it. You have to write all these questions in your science CW. Okay, now and read. Okay, read 2 times and write 2 times today. Don't forget it, children. Okay, good day. Have a good day, children. Bye. Take screenshot amma, take screenshot, or else enter all these questions in your CW or HW. Okay, will you read all these? Will you read all these? Enter first all these questions, enter.